As I head into my 15th year selling real estate in San Diego, I thought it'd be fun to share 15 things I've learned in 15 years. Number 7, preview property. Whenever possible, it's always a good idea to preview the properties you're going to be showing your buyer clients. And if showing condos, at minimum, walk the complex and locate the condo within the community, as well as the complex amenities such as the pool and the gym. Well, I learned this the hard way early in my career at a large 500+ unit maze-like complex in Pacific Beach. This place is notorious for confusing anyone that walks in without a map and a compass. I had not done my homework of locating the units we would be touring, so with a few minutes to spare before my client showed up, I tried to make a quick run through just to get completely turned around. Next thing you know, I walk through a few doors, one slams behind me, and I'm stuck, locked in the parking garage with my client waiting out front for me. Boy, it felt like an eternity until someone finally came through and I was able to sneak back in. Number 8, never burn your bridges. In 2007, I started working with a company that was providing buyer leads via a website they ran. At the time, they simply received a referral fee for any leads they sent me who then bought a home. So they had a vested interest in me getting sales. Well, overnight, I went from receiving a handful of leads per month to hundreds of leads per month, and I was not equipped to efficiently handle the rush and follow up with all these buyers. The owner of the website calls me to discuss the lack of sales, and let's just say he was a little upset. Where are the sales? What the heck is going on out there? Do you even know what you're doing? And this is the G-rated version. Well, I was just about to let him have it and was going to give him a piece of my mind. And I recalled my father once saying to me when I was young, Greg, never, ever, ever burn your bridges. And so as difficult as it was, I bit my tongue very hard at that, and I held back. Well, after working out some kinks, that relationship has fostered into something family-like, and we've been going strong for 13 years now, and the website has been the backbone to our team's success as we consistently sell 30 to 50 homes a year just from this website. Number 9, pay it forward. When I was starting out in the real estate business, I was eager to learn anything and everything I could, and for the most part, I was not afraid to ask others for help. Over the first few years in the business, there were a handful of experienced agents that gave me some guidance, priceless advice, and encouragement that will never be forgotten. I used to call them $10,000 conversations. And I know, at times, they wanted nothing more than to get rid of me when I peeked my head into their office to ask them a question. But I think they also knew I was working hard and wanted them, so they usually helped out. Fast forward to now, and helping new agents is something I am always willing to do, especially on the subject of, well, I can tell you what not to do, as I've certainly had my pitfalls along the way. Now, as the leader for a small team, one of my favorite things to do is to offer guidance and brainstorm with my teammates, and nothing beats watching them succeed. I hope you enjoyed part 3 of my series, 15 and 15. I'll be back next month with 3 more stories.